I'll show you a bit later on. But in the background, it's the lake over here. I would be all the way down here, nice and wide open, super easy access to the lake. But number one, I didn't bring fishing poles. And number two, it's supposed to be really windy tomorrow. It should be coming this way off the lake. So I'm just trying to stay tucked up in here today amongst the trees, or this weekend, so we don't have to worry about that tomorrow. Well, let me show my beautiful face. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, folks. We got ourselves here a super simple, super easy camp weekend. 2 days down in Hunting Creek State Park, a premier camping park in Iowa. I would say one of the best parks. I think it's the second or the third largest lake as well. It's a giant reservoir down here in southern Iowa. And I got baby sis coming up to meet me. So, and it's, I don't know what's up with online. Online it showed there's a lot more people out here. I don't know if people reserved stuff in advance and just said F it, decided not to come. Or if the website's just finicky like that and shows some available, some not. But either way, very awesome. There's 3 or 4 people and campers down there. Nobody tent camping down here or any place else in the park that I've seen yet. So we're basically going to have the park to ourselves, certainly this section of campground. So that's freaking awesome. That's cool. Also, we'll talk about this later on too. I'm sure you may have seen this t-shirt and its logo before, but we'll just cover that. A little bit of history of your boy's history here, huh? Well, all right, folks. We're here. We're ready to go. Let's get camp set up. Wait for baby sis. If I have time, get a tent pitched, go get some firewood and get a fire on. So we'll see what happens. All right. Stay tuned. What's up, cuh? Okay, folks, we got ourselves all set up here. Got the firewood in place. We got bags. Tents are up. And we got baby sis here with us. What's up? Say something about yourself, your hobbies, your interests, your likes, what you do for a living. Where have you been?
Hi, my name is Erica, and I enjoy being indoors and being mean to men.
That's actually verifiable, guys.
Yeah.
All right. So we got baby sis here with us, and I want to take a quick look at her tent, her setup. She's got a tent that I wanted. Oh, I'm trying to, it's so hard to point my thumb at. There you go, there you go. She's got a tent that I wanted, but I convinced her to get, so I can live vicariously through her, all right? A little bit smaller than the type of tent I normally go with, but it does the trick, so let's take a look. Professor, what we got here? We got this gazelle.
I don't know a thing about this tent.
Okay,
You
kid.
said the woodpecker?
So we got here. Oh, yeah, I heard it. Please don't interrupt my video again. We have the gazelle T4 hub, huh?
Yeah.
Pop-up tent, instant tent.
Sounds right.
Takes 90 seconds to put up, but it did take her about 8 minutes approximately.
Okay.
All right.
I don't think any deal announce that. But...
But she's got quite the impressive setup. She is prepared for a cool evening, comfort, and all the extra little tidbits people like in their tents. Can we take a gander?
Inside the tent?
Please.
Sure.
Here.
I got the air mattress, a little twin-size air mattress with the outdoor rug underneath it for comfort.
Nice.
This black and white quilt, my lovely cousin Elkie made that for me a few years ago.
Sweet.
Super warm,
with
very
her
nice.
feet. She knits with her feet.
I don't think that's accurate, but you know, it's a nice little setup.
Nice. We got no light.
Not
Missing a
yet.
light. We'll get a light. We'll get a light in there.
Built for comfort and style.
All right, and plenty of room to stand in it too.
That's right. I'm 5'10" and I can stand up
Excellent.
right in the middle.
Excellent. Excellent. And I brought the Kelty, of course. The Rumpus 6. Didn't want to go with the big cot today. I too brought an air mattress. Lots of layers as well. The carpet as usual with the house shoes. I mean, it's as comfortable as it gets, folks. Okay, well, camp set up. I think now we just hang out and chill. Maybe we'll get the fire started. It's a little ways away till dinner. So yeah, just hang out, maybe have a drink. We're now officially camping. Stay tuned. All right, folks, we're about ready to get this fire started. And I asked my sister what blade she's carrying. I was showing her that I carry, currently right now, good old Excalibur. Pick this up down in, oh gosh, it's right-handed. Hold up.
Where you got it.
No, they do. I picked this up in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. Oh, come on. Where's my focus at? Come on, guys. There we go. That's right.
You going to church later?
I got this at Christ of the Ozarks. It's a whole magical
when you
land.
have church at 8, but you got to shank them.
Listen, you know, I'm not much of a believer, but if there is a place to find some faith, if there is a place, it is Christ of the Ozarks. All right, they got a giant.
I suggest somebody try Jesus before they try you with that thing. Okay.
Long story short, she wants to show me her blade. So what you got, Professor?
This is the Smith & Wesson. That's all I know about it.
Let's see here. Okay. Actually, let's just.
You know.
What we got here? Okay, so let's see. Show me the other side of the.
All right.
What's that little clip? Let's see here. Nice. All right.
Nice
yeah.
blade.
And the blade here.
Super sharp.
Just a double-sided or one-sided?
One-sided.
Okay, let's take a look here. Let me see. Wow. Oh, there we go. Oh.
This is my bedroom knife.
I see. Okay.
This is a home invasion.
I see.
I gotta have a weapon.
This is interesting. This is definitely going to hurt somebody.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mostly I just cut tags off of clothes with it right now, but in case somebody wants to get saucy, I'm ready.
Respect.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. All right. Well, stay packing, folks. And
Stay tuned.
oh my gosh, she did it. Got some visitors.
The human. Gotta go.
Zoom out a little bit. There was a couple. Oh, there goes the other one. Awesome.
You think deer are soft? Like if you
Full of like actual little ghost packs. I don't want to say surprise, kid. They all been bad. Half as good. 4K is clearly half as good as 8K. I tell you, my sister is smarter than me and makes more money than me. It sucks. Hot and heavy fire going over here. Really good, keeping us warm.
The one that's not going.
We got some coals on. Trying to get, let's see, we're going to toss on a pork chop, a bacon wrap, cheese stuffed chicken breast.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. And maybe some wings. Professor's got on her giant snow pants. That's what it'll look like.
And I'm toasty. While you're over there making fun of me, I'm toasty. You have on 7 layers.
I have on my blue jeans.
I have on pants.
And 2 jackets.
And a down comforter.
Weak. Well, folks, so far a successful camp. We got an interesting thing happening, though. They've been doing a, what are those called? A little precautionary burn, a pre-burn. What do they call that? You know, when they do the little preventative burn, you know what I'm saying, when they clear the field. You see all this in the back, guys.
Your business
I don't need your ridicule in front of the viewers. Please.
Don't ask me
Jesus Christ. So down in there, I don't know if you guys can see that smoke back there. Let's see if we can zoom in just a little bit. There you go. You can see the flame. There's an actual little mini fire happening down there. It's really close to the lake shore and seems to be staying in place for now, but we're going to have to keep an eye on this. Danger is afoot, folks. Stay tuned.
She had this super weird interview where she was talking about she calls her husband daddy.
Yeah, very uncomfortable.
Super uncomfortable.
No one wants to hear any woman call their man daddy in front of them. Nobody.
Right. Ever.
No
Ever.
man or woman thinks like, hell yeah, that's a solid relationship.
Right. Because if one of my friends said, I'd be like, bitch, what are we doing here?
Is he hitting you?
Right.
Girl, be honest. Glad I turned this over when I did.
Ooh.
Okay, we got some mushrooms on, just to get them out the way, but we do have some dinner. Boy, look at that. Tasty chop. Kind of burns a little bit. That's going to happen. And my sister brought these chicken grillers.
Yeah.
Not really ideal for grilling, ironically, in my opinion. But they're cooked. And that's what matters.
That's right.
Ooh-wee. Starving. Well, we had a successful dinner, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, very successful.
All right. Your chicken?
That was horrible.
Would you go with steak next time?
You grilled it to perfection, but it did suck.
All right. Fair enough. Fair enough.
What are you going to do?
Well, folks, I think that's a wrap for us this evening. One more to enjoy. Then we're going to hit the hay, huh? Catch y'all in the morning. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Nice, beautiful, cool, windy morning. Got some really good sleep last night. It's actually kind of rare camping. It's stupid warm, so that was good. Oh wow, and that fire is still smoldering down there. Interesting. So yeah, good morning. Let's get the fire started, focus on some coffee, and then some breakfast. Stay tuned.
Oh, that's right. That's who told me that they watch your channel.
Nice. Well, folks, we took a little drive around old Rathbun here. We went and checked out some of the other campgrounds they have. I've never, as many times as I've been out here to Hunting Creek, I've never once drove around the lake to look at any of the other stuff. So that was actually kind of fun.
I did last time I was out.
You enjoyed it? Oh, you did?
I've never been here before.
Mine?
Ooh,
all there goes a turkey. Yeah. No, didn't get it. You are not helping me film stuff.
What do you mean?
Okay, you just zooming right past and everything.
Driving all day.
Why didn't you let me film that turkey?
Man, oh.
Jesus.
I don't get put
I
out
hope
of
this
car.
video's
Don't
good, and
get
if it's
put
not,
out of this car.
oh, do y'all see them stains on my sister's shirt? Yeah, she been fucking up this coat all weekend.
Oh, here goes another turkey. Roll your window down.
It's running away. Slow. You know, what's up, cuz? Oh, terrible. See, that could have been better too.
You're blaming that one on me too?
Mm-hmm. So anyways, nice little ride around the lake. Fun finding out that there's other stuff to offer around here, or what the other stuff to offer is around here, I should say. Now it's back to the campsite. I think we're eyeballing some lunch here and a little hang and chill sesh. Stay tuned. Do you see? It's moving on the other side of a tree. Like, I would say that's almost 200 feet, maybe even 3.
I have no idea what you're talking
about. Oh my God, where is it? There it is, there it is. Right there, right there. Right there. See that? See it moving?
Yeah. What the is that? Is that a bear? Are there bears in these woods?
There's no bears. There's no bears.
Because it's like short and thick.
It's really fat.
Yeah, it's like it's not moving like a person moves.
I mean, is that a bird? Is a bird that big?
Yeah, that's a bird.
That thing is huge. Yeah, if it's either a turkey or a turkey vulture.
On the ground walking.
I don't know.
It just like a big ass turkey.
Either way, freaked me out. Thought it was.
It was scary.
I thought it was staring at me pee.
I thought it was a bear.
Right, had me scared. Especially yelling from the top of the ridge, there are bears in Iowa! What? Bags, anybody?
No.
What was that?
No.
You're shaping up that attitude.
Shut it. Frick.
Woo!
This game is stupid.
Hey.
That's not why he was.
That's what you look like when you didn't win the bag.
When I do what?
That's what you look like when you didn't win bags.
I
Terrible.
hope this turkey gets you.
Got whomped by Big Bro.
There it goes.
Oh, he's back.
Turkey.
Stay tuned. That's also what she looks like when she is bags.
Bags is a terrible game.
So it's not your fault.
It is my fault.
Okay.
The game also
Okay.
sucks. Two things can be true.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Black out my license plate
Nope.
on these videos.
Nope. All right, soups and sandwiches while I'm doing noodles. What kind of soup you doing, Professor?
I got baked potato soup.
Nice, nice. Good call, good call. Well, that's dinner, folks.
Stay tuned.
Oh, come on, focus. Focus on my nudes. There they go. Tough with this low lighting. All right, now officially stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
It's too late. I said it. Well, folks, dinner was delicious. Soups and salad. Soups and sandwiches, excuse me. And a little sip of whiskey to top it off. And now we find ourselves here in the tent. Got the buddy heater kicking ass on the left and the space heater kicking ass on the right. A nice little movie going. It's very windy out and probably going to start raining here in a couple hours. But I don't think it should be storming. And it shouldn't get too crazy with the wind either. So just might be a little loud in the tent. But I should be fine. Generally the wind actually doesn't bother me too often in the tent. So. Oh yeah. I got these cool string lights from my wife. My wife been getting me all kinds of cool shit, y'all. Big shout out to the wives, huh? Shout out to the wives hooking that guys up, huh? It's like 20 feet, and I really struggled with it initially. It wasn't a big knot when I tried to use it for the first time, but once I got it, I really like this look here, and it looks really cool from the outside of the tent, so I might be able to catch that later. We'll see. So yeah, this is it for the evening. A little bit of heat, nice little movie. I think I got a package of Swiss rolls in there I might dig into. We'll see. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Well, I guess good night to you. And shout out to Professor hanging tough in the adverse weather conditions camping. She's becoming a camper. Very proud of you. All right, folks. We'll catch you in the morning. Good morning, folks. Cool, windy morning, but not too bad. I didn't sleep very good last night. The wind was bothering me. It was whipping pretty hard at sometimes. Plus, it was raining off and on. It was almost like a storm, but not exactly. No thunder, no lightning. Just lots of rain and lots of heavy winds. I think if I've done the editing properly, you'll see that a few sites up, there's a giant tree that fell over right into the middle of the campsite. I've done a little bit of walking around. I see a few of those in the websites in the campsite. So definitely was blowing pretty hard last night, but we made it. I did stay warm. That's most important. Well, this is it. This is leaving day. I think we might put a little coffee on. I had some bacon left. It's all the food I got left to cook. So I might cook the bacon just to get it out the way. Other than that, we're really waiting for it to warm up just a little bit. But this wind should be drying our gear out here within a couple of hours as we get everything else picked up, and then we'll be able to pick up the tents and get up out of here, huh? Well, that being said, I appreciate you watching. As usual, thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subscribes. Right here's where you get me. All in the feels. Appreciate you tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one, huh? Take it easy. I suppose this is the end of the trip.
Stay tuned.
Forgot we should check in with Professor real quick.
Stay tuned.
How was the camp trip?
It was great.
Stay dry last night?
Yeah.
All right, but got some good sleep too?
Got some amazing sleep.
All right. So safe to say we'll have you back sometime, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Stay tuned.
Well, you heard it straight from the big head's mouth. All right. Appreciate your likes. Appreciate the subscribes.
Stay tuned.
We'll catch you on the next one.
Stay tuned.
We don't end it with stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Stay